Hi there, I'm George and I'm here today to talk to you about what's in the box with our farming packs. This is a generic one, so we're going to be going over a few different combinations, but the fundamentals of our farming kits are the same. So the first thing that we're going to start with is the bridge. This is what connects your calving shed, your lambing shed, your stable back to the house. So we have one down at the sheds and one back on the house, and it bridges the gap between. We need line of sight between these two, but that's how they send them back. With these, you get your power supplies. We use little PoE injectors, one for each of your bridges, and you will get a selection of cables, longer than this one, obviously, to suit the needs of your setup. To go with this, within all of our kits, we send out a wiring diagram about how to put it together, and with that, you have a full set of instructions. Now at the other side, what we have is we have the selection of cameras that we have. We have a full range depending on your needs and depending on how you want to use it. From the static cameras that mount up and stay in one place. These are great for stables and areas of a shed, maybe say for lambing, where your sheep are always really going to the same place to lamb. Through to our PTZ cameras that can move. This one here mounted to the back, and up to our full 360-degree camera that can spin around on its axis and see everywhere within your shed. If you want more information on how to set these up, please click the link to our video here. And if you want more information on any of our farming packs, please go to our website. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe.